What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman. Today we're going to be opening this box. It's a towing mirror by San Hima and I got it from Vic Off-Road, and after that I'll be installing it on my Ford Ranger. Alright, let's open the box. I'm super excited about this one. It's the Gen 2. So they had the Gen 1 before and now this is the new Gen 2, which looks a lot better. Move that aside, and that's it. San Hima towing mirror. Check it out. This looks so good, man. Let's put that aside. Let's open this one. Let's check it out, guys. So this towing mirror is a plug and play mirror. Wow. Check that out. That's what it looks like. There, it looks so nice. Alright, let's open the other box. Let's check it out. There we go. I like this San Hima towing mirror because it's got a really nice design. Check it out. Also it comes with the screws and it'll be just a quick plug and play. Alright, it's time to install these bad boys. Okay, so what we want to remove first is this one here. This one just comes and clips off. And it's got that, and that's where it goes. So just let that hang there. So for the top screw here, you're going to need one of these stars. And it's going to go, and you turn that. Okay, there's also another screw here and you're going to need one that angles to that so you don't have to remove this. Alright, what we need to do is remove this. That comes off and that one should plug into the new towing mirror. So this one here we also need to remove. That's just a cover and that will come off. And there you've also got the same screw there. And the other screw is over here, which needs to be removed. So if you don't have an Allen key for this one here, for the screw, you can remove your door panel. Just have to remove it like that. And there's screws there, there and there, to remove the door out. So I won't fully take it off. I'm just going to turn it a little bit to access the screw here. So just get this one out. Finally got one out. Alright, let's remove this. Just make sure you don't hit the windshield when you're removing it. So the new one comes with some nuts. We'll use this one. So I'll be using this tool to put it in. I'll put this one in. Make sure this goes in there. I'll just tuck it inside here. And full. Once you got the right hole, put this one in. Around the other side. Put the other ones in. So after you've done the screw, you can connect it together. That's it. So once you've done the connection, you can put everything back. Put back the panel and everything. So you can move the slides back and forth like that, and we can peel this off. So that's how you install the towing mirror Gen 2 from the San Hima. So you can get this from Vic Off-Road, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.